Hello, my friends. Well, I'm going to try a flip cup with silicone, but I'm not at all confident about it because I had some pre-mixed of glue, Liquitex, and water, which I use for my cell pours when I use silicone, but I hadn't used it in a while and it was all lumpy and stringy, so I'm not happy with the consistency. I mixed two colors with it and it's not perfect. And then I added a little water to try to smooth it out, and now it's too thin and it's still got lumps in it. So I only mixed two colors with that. Then I had some leftovers laying around with that had just Floetrol in it, and they were about the same consistency. So I'm just going to use all these leftovers to which I've added silicone and see if I could possibly get something attractive. I don't know. I may be picking out lumps after I've flipped it. So we'll give it a go. Just use a big cup here, and I'll start with a black. And I've got some lovely gold here. Those are the two with the original mix with the Liquitex. And they make wonderfully shaped cells, but that mix, but I'm not so confident about the other ones with just Floetrol. But maybe combined with these, a good mix, it will work out. I don't know. Don't have much of this. I'll put it all in there. And I don't have much of this. I'll put that all in there. Okay, back to the black, gold, and those kind of cream colors. I should have used a smaller cup, I think. I don't need anything nearly this big. I added silicone to everything but the turquoise and the dark brown, because I just didn't have much in those cups. If it looks okay, I may run a marble through it. I really enjoyed the last one I did with the marble. Do I have it? I don't. It's not handy for me to show you. I don't know where it is, but it came out really good. I'm very happy with it, wherever it is. Okay. Oh, let's see. What do I have? I have some more gold. Put the rest of that in there. See, that's the stringy business. It's terrible. So, ugh. There's going to be some of that in here, I'm sure. Okay. Let's see what happens. I don't know where that painting is. Must be in the other room waiting to be varnished. Okay, there we go. Well, kind of like the colors, very earthy. But I fear it's too runny. Okay, I'm going to move it around first, and then I'll hit it with a torch so the cells remain a little smaller. Oh, they're awful. They weren't thick enough. The mix was not. It's not thick enough. I don't hate it though. Very, very weird shaped cells. Okay, I'm kind of like the composition. I like the diagonal of that lighter color there. That's good. Let me hit it with a torch and bring up even more cells. Okay. I'm going to fill it up with cells. Oh, I like that. You know what, folks? I don't hate this. I don't think I'm going to run a marble through it. I think it would look goofy. Gosh. I think I like it. As is. I like this little hint of blue in there, and it's not what I was going for, not what I expected, but I think it's not bad. I hate to waste paint, so when a leftover pour with leftovers works out, it's always kind of a relief. Let me bring in for a little closer look. There are some voids on the corners. I'm not going to worry about that. I will paint them solid black when it's dry. So let's see. It's kind of the look that I would get with cells when I first started, and I really liked them back then. But then I changed my view, and I didn't care for this look. And I still do, like little round, uniform shaped and sized cells. But there is something very, very organic about this. Looks like a slab of granite, maybe. And I don't hate it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.